Am început să investighez subiectul acesta, Experimentul București, în urmă cu 7-8 ani, când, în urma unei discuții cu Justin Capră, din discuția respectivă a reieșit că el îl cunoștea pe Daniel Bilz, cel care este de fapt autorul acestui experiment. Deci, concluzia mea după anii aceștia de investigație este că Justin Capra a fost, dacă vreți, creierul, partea care a gândit efectiv din punct de vedere tehnic, dacă vreți, experimentul, iar cel care l-a aplicat a fost psihologul Daniel Bilz.
În presă nu a apărut pentru că sunt presiuni foarte mari ca acest subiect să nu apară nicăieri. Colegii mei de la Kamikaze au reușit totuși să investigheze. Am ajuns la Andrei Juvină după eforturi importante și am reușit să obținem mărturii în legătură cu acest experiment. E greu de penetrat în acest secret. Singurul care ar putea să spună ceva este Daniel Bilz.
I am Daniel Bilz. I have developed the Bilz method of achieving success and personal development. We are at the main headquarters here. I have 2 other offices in Bucharest, 2 other centers. It's a book about success, and successful people. And we can teach you here how to be successful. I'm very proud of it. It has helped.
Is it okay if we talk about the book later?
Okay. I was doing my master in psychology and in game theory. And it was then when I met Justin Capra and we started working together. When we worked on our project back in the 80s, I came with the psychological side, and I developed at that time role-play gaming and game theory, and Justin Capra came with the scientific part. I remember that back in the 80s, when we started working on the program, we had a volunteer, a student. He was a student, and he did excellent in the program. And we achieved a tremendous success with our program. So I no longer work with Justin Capra. I took over the method, and I have developed for corporate use. Classical game theory is nothing but propaganda. Global outcomes don't matter at all. It's the outcome of the individual. It's the outcome of me. That matters. We've been constantly lied since World War II exactly. Not only here in the East, but also the West. They've told us that there is such a thing as society. Excuse me, society doesn't mean a thing. Society can go to hell for all I care. There is no such thing. There is the individual, and this is what I'm interested in, the individual and its success, his or her success, actually. If you have a goal to achieve, you have to leave people behind, and that's the key of our teaching here.
Do you think you've left people behind in your own personal life?
I had to do that. When we do our training, we place people in very difficult situations, in stressful situations. A soldier has to repeat 1,000 times things until they become a second nature to him. Well, with my method, with Bill's method, you can do it only once. This is what the sound waves do, actually. they shorten the learning process.
So, we are here in our technical department. You can see all this equipment here that we have. And this is our sound engineer. This is our engineer, Adrian. So we are going here to make an experiment. We usually make this experiment for our customers, for our clients. We have this plate attached to a speaker. Now, we are going to pour some salt on it, and we are going to apply a sine sound so that you will see how powerful sound waves are. Look. So every frequency has its own geometrical pattern. And look what is happening if we change the frequency. So if this is the effect it has on salt, imagine what effect it will have on human brain. This is one of our offices, and this is one of our teams. We are doing training here. Eu vorbesc în engleză că a venit echipa din Anglia, echipa de băieți din Anglia de filmare ca să facă un documentar cu mine, da? He is Colin, one of our best trainers, and he is going to explain to you everything about the project.
Ideea este că tu ești, practic, spălat pe creier de societate, să te comporți într-un anumit fel în relația cu alții, în grupuri. Ca să te scoatem din starea aia, trebuie să te punem într-un grup, inițial cel puțin. Deci el joacă un rol, îi se aplică niște frecvențe ca acel rol să-i devină a doua natură. Sau să-l învețe că nu așa se face. Încercăm să aducem omul la starea lui naturală, firească. Aceea de a-și vedea interesul și de a face tot ce îi stă în putință ca să ajungă acolo unde vrea. Și îl ajutăm de asemenea, deci nu e o calitate, asta e natura umană. Deci noi nu formăm calități oamenilor. Nu, doar îi lăsăm să-și poată folosi potențialul deja existent. Atât.